All right. Now, let's see what we can do if we can throw a couple of different kicks in here, Mike. All right. Instead of doing a front kick there, I want to see a roundhouse kick to the front. All right. We're going to do a roundhouse kick to the front. We're going to do a side kick to the right. And then what we want to do from that side over there, we want to do a spinning rear kick.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So round kick, side kick, spinning rear kick. Round kick. Round kick. Side kick. Side kick. Spinning rear kick. Good. Spinning rear kick. Good. Round kick. Round kick. Side kick. Side kick. Round kick. Round kick. Spinning rear kick. And round kick. And return. Very good. Yep. Chalk, rest. Shake out that leg, because I know you want to.
Yes, sir.
All right, excellent, outstanding demonstration there. Now,